Number 3, Bugatti Veloce Van. The Bugatti Veloce van looks like nothing else on the road. From the outside, it carries a dark and bold personality, painted in deep glossy black, with sharp aerodynamic lines that catch the eye even from a distance. The body sits low, with large alloy wheels hugging the ground, while the Bugatti emblem shines proudly at the center of the grille. LED headlights pierce forward like the eyes of a predator, and every curve of the van seems to whisper speed. It's more than a motorhome, it's a hypercar reborn for long journeys. As you walk around the exterior, you notice the precise engineering that only Bugatti can offer. The sleek curves are not just for style, they're for efficiency and aerodynamics. The vents, the panels, the sculpted edges all serve a purpose, reducing drag while adding power to its appearance. At first glance, you don't think you're looking at a motorhome. You think you're staring at a futuristic concept vehicle ready to race. That's the magic of the Veloce van. It blends luxury, performance, and practicality in a shell that feels decades ahead of its time. Stepping inside the Bugatti Veloce van is like entering another world. The contrast between the dark exterior and the white and blue interior is stunning. Soft blue lighting glows from the ceiling and the floor edges, giving the entire cabin a futuristic and calming atmosphere. Surfaces are sleek and polished, with high-tech touch panels replacing bulky controls. It's a space that feels compact yet expansive, where every detail is designed to make the traveler feel both comfortable and inspired. The interior design language is unmistakably Bugatti, minimalistic, but with touches of luxury everywhere. The seating is ergonomic and wrapped in premium materials, while hidden compartments keep the space organized and efficient. The kitchenette is integrated seamlessly into the sidewall, offering everything you need without taking away the sense of openness. It's not cluttered, it's not overwhelming, it's pure elegance. Bugatti has managed to create an interior that feels like stepping into the future, where technology and design work hand in hand to create a lifestyle on wheels. When you move forward to the driver's seat, the Bugatti DNA becomes even clearer. The steering wheel is designed with inspiration from their hypercars, flat-bottomed, sleek, and futuristic. The dashboard isn't just a simple panel of gauges, it's a digital command center, with wraparound screens that glow softly in blue, displaying everything from navigation to performance metrics. The driver feels less like they're in a motorhome and more like they're sitting in the cockpit of a jet. Every control has been placed with precision. There's no unnecessary clutter, only what you need at the right time. The seating position is low and commanding, giving the driver a sense of total control. The lighting adjusts automatically, making night drives feel cinematic. It's this balance, luxury, simplicity, and technology, that makes the Bugatti driving experience unmatched in the motorhome world. The kitchenette in the Bugatti Veloce van is a perfect example of compact design done right. White and blue finishes give it a clean, futuristic look, while hidden appliances slide out only when needed. There's a built-in stove, a sleek sink, and a compact fridge, all seamlessly blended into the wall. It doesn't feel like a traditional motorhome kitchen, it feels like part of the interior design, stylish, minimal, yet functional for modern travelers. In the rear, the bedroom area is both cozy and stylish. A sleek bed with white bedding and blue highlights fits perfectly into the compact space, surrounded by ambient lighting that makes the room feel larger than it is. Minimalistic storage keeps things tidy, while small details, from polished surfaces to subtle Bugatti touches, remind you that this isn't just a place to sleep, it's a luxury retreat on wheels. The Bugatti Veloce van secures its place at number 3 for one simple reason: it is more than just a motorhome. It's an experience. With its bold black exterior, futuristic white and blue interior, advanced driving cockpit, and compact yet stylish living spaces, it represents the future of luxury travel. Bugatti has proven once again that they can take their racing DNA and transform it into something truly extraordinary. Number 2, Hammer Titan RV. The Hammer Titan RV is the true king of off-road motorhomes. From the outside, it wears its personality proudly, a bold army green shell that immediately communicates toughness and durability. Built higher and stronger than most vehicles, it commands presence wherever it goes. Heavy-duty tires grip the terrain like claws, while protective panels shield the body from rugged paths. It's not designed to look pretty, it's designed to survive. Every detail of the exterior tells the story of adventure. The reinforced roof carries extra gear, the bumpers are strengthened for impacts, and the side panels are armored for protection against the wild. LED floodlights line the top, ready to light up dark forests or desert nights. When you look at the Hammer Titan, you don't just see a motorhome, you see a fortress on wheels, ready to take you where no other vehicle dares to go. Step inside, and the military inspiration continues. The Hammer Titan RV has an interior painted in deep shades of green, with rugged finishes that feel strong and reliable. The seating is made from tough yet comfortable materials, built to withstand dust, dirt, and years of adventure. The lighting is practical, not flashy, with a design focused on durability rather than decoration. Still, it doesn't compromise on comfort, everything has been designed to make long journeys easier. The layout is efficient and tactical. Storage compartments are everywhere, hidden neatly into the walls and floor, keeping survival gear, tools, and personal items secure. The floor plan is compact, but it feels organized, like a soldier's barracks. Every part of the Hammer Titan is designed to serve a function, whether it's safety, storage, or comfort. This is not luxury for show, this is practicality for survival. The driver's area feels like the control room of a military vehicle. The steering wheel is strong and heavy, designed for tough terrain. The dashboard is straightforward, with large buttons and dials that can be used even while wearing gloves. No touch screens here, just reliable, rugged controls that won't fail you when you're far from civilization. The visibility is wide and commanding, letting the driver see every challenge on the path ahead. The Hammer Titan dashboard is a blend of utility and confidence. While other motorhomes feel like cars, this feels like a heavy-duty truck, reinforced for survival. Every gauge, every switch is practical, designed for long journeys across the unknown. The feeling behind the wheel isn't about speed, it's about strength. It tells you, no matter what comes in front of me, I can handle it. And that's exactly why adventurers trust the Hammer Titan. The kitchen in the Hammer Titan is functional and built for the real world. With tough counters, a compact stove, and a reliable refrigerator, it's designed to provide meals even in the harshest conditions. Nothing fancy, but everything works, and it works every time. That reliability makes the kitchen not just useful, but essential for long journeys into the wilderness. The bedroom in the Hammer Titan is compact but durable. A foldable bed system maximizes space, with sturdy bedding built for tough use. Storage compartments keep essentials close by, and the green and black theme continues to give the feeling of a tactical environment. It may not be luxury, but it is comfort that can withstand the toughest nights in the wild. The Hammer Titan RV takes second place because of its sheer power and practicality. It may not be the most luxurious, but when it comes to surviving and thriving in the harshest environments, nothing beats it. With its army green exterior, tough interior, and no-nonsense design, it is the ultimate choice for explorers who want to go where roads don't exist. Number 1. Ferrari Strada Cruiser. The Ferrari Strada Cruiser redefines what a motorhome can look like. From the outside, it wears the legendary Ferrari red, highlighted with sleek black accents that give it an unmistakable sporty character. Its curves are aerodynamic, its stance aggressive, and its presence impossible to ignore. It's not just a vehicle, it's a moving statement of passion, performance, and style. Every inch of the Strada Cruiser's exterior carries Ferrari DNA. The low stance, the bold grille, the black roofline, and the striking wheels all combine to make it the most exotic motorhome on the road. Where others blend in, Ferrari demands attention. Even at rest, it looks like it's ready to leap forward at incredible speed. That's the power of Ferrari, it turns even a motorhome into a work of art in motion. Step inside, and you're greeted with the fiery theme of red and black. The seating is upholstered in fine leather, stitched with precision, and designed to hug the body with both comfort and sportiness. The lighting is dramatic, with soft red glows highlighting every contour of the interior. Unlike most motorhomes, this isn't a space that feels like a home, it feels like a high-end sports lounge, built for those who refuse to compromise between adventure and performance. The interior layout is smart and stylish. Surfaces are bold, polished, and striking, with Ferrari branding subtly integrated into the design. The compact kitchen and bedroom don't just serve a function, they carry the same theme of power and passion. It's the perfect blend of comfort and sport, a reminder at every step that this is Ferrari, a brand that never does ordinary. It doesn't feel like a motorhome cockpit, it feels like you're inside a Ferrari supercar, ready to race. The driving experience is immersive. Every sound, every glow of the dashboard, every curve of the steering reminds you that this is Ferrari. It's built not only to travel but to thrill the driver at every moment. Whether you're on highways or cruising through city streets, the Strada Cruiser makes you feel like the king of the road. The Ferrari Strada Cruiser's kitchen is compact, stylish, and dramatic. Red and black surfaces match the theme, with glossy finishes and sleek appliances hidden behind panels. It's not oversized, but it's smart, efficient, and beautiful. Cooking here isn't just practical, it feels like part of the Ferrari lifestyle. The bedroom continues the red and black theme, with a bold bed design that feels luxurious and powerful. Soft lighting glows around the edges, creating a cinematic environment at night. It's not just a place to rest, it's a statement of Ferrari luxury, reminding you that passion and performance can exist even when the engine is off. The Ferrari Strada Cruiser earns the #1 spot because it is more than a motorhome, it's a masterpiece. With its iconic red and black exterior, sporty interior, racing-inspired cockpit, and stylish living spaces, it redefines what it means to travel in luxury. Ferrari has proven that even in the world of motorhomes, they remain the symbol of speed, passion, and ultimate style. So there you have it, the top 3 motorhomes of 2026. At number 3, the futuristic Bugatti Veloce van, sleek, bold, and innovative. At number 2, the unstoppable Hammer Titan RV, tough, rugged, and ready for anything. And at number 1, the Ferrari Strada Cruiser, passion, performance, and style combined into a moving work of art. 3 giants, 3 visions of the future. Which one would you choose?